The question most asked during water mitigation projects is, how long is this process going to take? How long am I going to be out of my house? What is the process step by step? So we clean out your house, we dry it out, we get you into an Airbnb or whatever accommodations that we can get you into that fit your family's needs. During that time, we're coming in, drying out your house, we're getting it prepared for the next construction or the next stage. During that process, we're also working with your insurance company and trying to make sure that we get as much coverage as possible with the affected areas. Then from there, we're able to get things back together, put back together the way it was, and sometimes, a lot of times, it's a lot better than before. You get the options of being able to choose whether you want to go with what insurance is covering, or you might get excited and say, hey, for an extra little bit of money, we can go ahead and upgrade. And at that point, we start that process. Now, depending on how large the project is, whether it's a 2-story house like we're in now where both floors were affected, or if it's just a small situation where water didn't affect a lot of areas, that really has a lot to do with how long you're going to be out of your home and unfortunately put out of your normal life. It could be anywhere larger, like here with the custom cabinets that are coming in. That could be several months, and then if it's a smaller project, then it could be a couple of weeks, if maybe sometimes even a week, depending on how small the job is. So we hope and we strive to work tirelessly with your insurance company to make sure that you get full coverage for everything, and then also that we get you back into your home and it's perfect when you come back as quickly as possible.